Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we are going to take you from the vast plains of Africa to the towering peaks of the Himalayas to embark on an unforgettable voyage exploring the world's most scenic train journeys. We will traverse continents, navigate breathtaking landscapes, and uncover hidden gems, all from the comfort of our carriages. Our journey begins in the heart of Russia, aboard the legendary Trans-Siberian Railway. This, the longest railway on Earth, stretches over 5,700 miles, connecting Moscow in the west to Vladivostok in the east. As our train departs Moscow, we are greeted by endless birch forests, their silver bark shimmering under a sapphire sky. The landscape slowly transforms, revealing the immense Siberian taiga, a vast expanse of coniferous forests, interspersed with shimmering lakes and meandering rivers. We pass through bustling cities and remote villages, catching glimpses of daily life in this fascinating land. The rhythmic clatter of the train provides a constant backdrop, a soothing soundtrack to our epic adventure. We make stops at historic towns like Yekaterinburg and Irkutsk, known for its beautifully preserved wooden architecture. Further east we encounter Lake Baikal, the oldest and deepest freshwater lake in the world. The Trans-Siberian Railway is more than just a train journey, it's a journey through history, culture, and the soul of Russia. From Russia, we journey to the heart of Europe, to experience the Glacier Express, often hailed as the world's slowest express train. This leisurely journey takes us through the Swiss Alps, offering breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks, verdant valleys, and charming villages. Our journey begins in Zermatt, nestled beneath the iconic Matterhorn. As we ascend into the mountains, we are greeted by panoramic views of glaciers, cascading waterfalls, and meadows carpeted in wildflowers. The train winds its way through tunnels and over viaducts, each turn revealing a new and awe-inspiring vista. The Glacier Express is renowned for its luxurious amenities, including panoramic windows that offer unobstructed views of the passing scenery. We indulge in gourmet meals expertly prepared with fresh local ingredients as we marvel at the beauty of the Swiss Alps. We cross the Oberalp Pass, the highest point on our journey, at an altitude of over 6,700 feet. As we descend from the mountains, we are greeted by the turquoise waters of Lake Thun, its shores dotted with picturesque villages and vineyards. The Glacier Express offers an unforgettable journey through some of the most spectacular scenery in the Swiss Alps. Our next adventure takes us to the land of kangaroos and koalas to experience the Ghan, an iconic train journey that cuts through the heart of Australia. This epic journey takes us from Adelaide in the south to Darwin in the north, covering a distance of over 1,800 miles. As our train departs Adelaide, we are greeted by rolling hills and vineyards, the remnants of the city fading into the distance. The landscape slowly transforms, revealing the arid beauty of the Australian outback, a vast expanse of red earth, spinifex grass, and ancient rock formations. We pass through remote towns and settlements, each with its own unique history and character. The Ghan is an opportunity to experience the outback in comfort and style. The train offers a range of accommodation options, from comfortable seats to luxurious private cabins. We enjoy gourmet meals featuring fresh local produce as we watch the sun rise and set over the vast desert landscape. One of the highlights of our journey is our stop at Alice Springs, the spiritual heart of Australia. As we continue north, the landscape transforms once again, revealing the lush tropical vegetation of the top end. The Ghan is an unforgettable journey through the heart of Australia. If you're enjoying the train ride so far, please like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Our journey now takes us to the Canadian Rockies, to experience the Rocky Mountaineer, a luxury train journey through some of the most breathtaking scenery in North America. This unforgettable journey takes us from Vancouver to Banff or Jasper, passing by towering peaks, turquoise lakes, and ancient glaciers. As our train departs Vancouver, we are greeted by the lush green forests of the Pacific Northwest. The landscape slowly transforms, revealing the snow-capped peaks of the coast mountains, their slopes cloaked in dense forests. The Rocky Mountaineer is renowned for its luxurious amenities, including panoramic windows that offer unobstructed views of the passing scenery. One of the highlights of our journey is our passage through the spiral tunnels, a marvel of engineering that allows the train to navigate the steep grades of the Kicking Horse Pass. We also pass by Craigellachie, where the last spike of the Canadian Pacific Railway was driven in 1885. The Rocky Mountaineer offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Canadian Rockies. At number 5, our next adventure takes us to the southern tip of Africa to experience the Blue Train, one of the most luxurious train journeys in the world. This opulent journey takes us from Pretoria to Cape Town, passing through some of South Africa's most stunning landscapes. As our train departs Pretoria, we are greeted by the rolling hills and grasslands of the Highveld. The landscape slowly transforms, revealing the arid beauty of the Karoo, a semi-desert region known for its vast plains and unique flora and fauna. The Blue Train is renowned for its unparalleled luxury and service. Our private suites are havens of comfort and elegance, featuring plush beds, marble bathrooms, and large picture windows that offer breathtaking views of the passing scenery. We indulge in gourmet meals, expertly prepared by world-class chefs, paired with fine South African wines. One of the highlights of our journey is our stop at Kimberley, the diamond capital of the world. We visit the Big Hole, a massive open-pit mine that is one of the largest hand-dug excavations in the world. As we continue our journey towards Cape Town, we are treated to breathtaking views of the vineyards of the Cape Winelands. The Blue Train offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of South Africa. Our next adventure takes us to Norway, to experience the Flam Railway, one of the steepest standard-gauge railway lines in the world. This scenic journey takes us from the mountain station of Myrtle to the village of Flam, located at the head of the Arlandsfjord. As our train departs Myrdal, we are greeted by breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains, their slopes cloaked in dense forests and cascading waterfalls. The Flam Railway is a feat of engineering, descending over 2,800 feet in just 12 miles. One of the highlights of our journey is our stop at the Kjosfossen waterfall, a roaring cascade of water that plunges over 300 feet into the valley below. As we descend towards Flam, the landscape transforms, revealing the deep blue waters of the Arlandsfjord, surrounded by towering mountains. The Flam Railway offers an unforgettable journey through some of Norway's most stunning scenery. Our final journey takes us to the Scottish Highlands, to experience the Royal Scotsman, a luxury train journey through some of the most rugged and romantic landscapes in the United Kingdom. This exclusive journey takes us through glens and past lochs, offering glimpses of castles, heather-clad hills, and perhaps even a glimpse of the elusive Highland wildlife. As our train departs Edinburgh, we are greeted by the rolling hills and farmland of the Scottish lowlands. The landscape slowly transforms, revealing the rugged beauty of the Highlands, their peaks shrouded in mist and legend. The Royal Scotsman is renowned for its Edwardian elegance and unparalleled service. Our private cabins are havens of luxury, featuring mahogany paneling, plush beds, and large picture windows that offer breathtaking views of the passing scenery. We indulge in gourmet meals, prepared with the finest Scottish ingredients, paired with single malt whiskies and fine wines. One of the highlights of our journey is our stop at the Culloden battlefield, the site of the last battle fought on British soil. As we continue our journey through the Highlands, we are treated to breathtaking views of lochs, their surfaces shimmering like jewels amidst the rugged landscape. The Royal Scotsman offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of Scotland. And so, our journey comes to an end. We've traveled by rail across continents, experiencing the world's most scenic train journeys, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Please share, like, and subscribe, and remember, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.